Hey there, I thought I would make a small update, even though I said I was gonna make an update if I got a better bow, but I still, I still have this, well, quite average bow.
So there you are.
But the rest of the gear is pretty good actually. I can show you. This is my helmet, uh, quiver, although, well, this is pretty bad, but I just haven't been able to find anything for sale. Nobody is selling these, well, decent talismans with life and damage. Or they ask insane amounts for those, but well, that's the next item I need to improve. The rings are decent, and chest is nice. Well, this ring is actually pretty fantastic. And then just basic crap. So I'm at level 93 at the moment, and I don't think I will be leveling anymore. It's just so slow at the moment, so this will do just fine. And almost 5k life. So if I just got a better talisman, I would easily get that 5,000 life. And there's still some jewels I need to improve, get more quality on some of these gems. But one reason I thought I would film this, because I got this map and I've never done this before. Apparently it's new in 2.1, so I have no idea what it's like. So let's try that. Should be doable. Oh, it's 150 quantity and 150 rarity. Magic monster, rare monsters, monster life, and monster damage. Yep. Oh, and I got that. Oh, there are... Oh, and my... well... Let's get some charges so I can check the DPS. Although it doesn't tell much, but... Well, with 7 frenzy charges, it's 40k total DPS at the moment, so... Not that great, but... Well, killing stuff just takes a bit longer, but... Well, let's go this way first, actually. Nothing here. Oh, let's pick that up. And... well, I guess I could show this. Chance to hit 91%. Crit chance without charges 56.8. And, well, that's about it. Defense 38% chance to evade, 40% chance to dodge, and, well, I would like to get a bit more chaos resistant, but that's just a bonus. Oh, there's a boss. Well, a unique monster anyway. Actually, I still need one more challenge so I can get that third item, the third armor piece. I don't think I can get the fourth one. It's gonna be too expensive. I would need to buy all the uniques and stuff like that. Which way first? Let's go this way. But well, if I get the three items, that's good enough for me. And should be doable. I just need to level Sana up to 8. Level 8. And there's another boss. Or mini boss. This one. Useless uniques. I guess this was the wrong way. Or maybe not. Well, let's check this first. Yeah, this is a dead end.
I need more pockets.
So yeah, I don't... Well, if I can get the 6-link bow, that would be nice. And maybe a bit more damage in the bow as well. Well, I just need to get the quality on gems and a better talisman or amulet. Then the damage should be good enough. For pretty much anything. Getting the 6-link blast train totem that would just make life a bit more easier. Then I could just sell these.
You want something?
What is this? Oh, it's that one. Yeah, it's that one. Blood boil.
You want something?
So I guess this is the boss. Okay. Winter Fang. These stupid pillars are in the way. I can just shoot. 5 link.
I need more pockets.
Yeah, well, this was Caer Blaidd or Glide. No, I was quite a bit over leveled for this, but yeah, it
Ready for the hunt?
seemed okay. Do I have any? Actually, let's check this out. And put this here.
Yes?
And throw this away. And just dump all of this crap here. Oh yeah, this has been, well, one of the strongest characters I've ever had. So, if anyone is interested in making something like this in the Ascendancy, well, this does work. Although all of these skills might change. So you never know what's gonna happen in the next expansion, but at least now here in the Talisman League, this has been a pretty good build. Oh yeah, and this is my talent tree or passive tree. Get these crit nodes here, and life and frenzy charges, and dodge, and these are actually pretty good, even though you waste a, well, but this is block chances wasted. And some more life and crit and all kinds of good stuff. If I got the next level, I would probably take this life node here. Or maybe this one, I don't know. This would give me a lot of evasion. It doesn't really matter. It's either one of these would be good. So yeah. I might do a video if I get the better bow. So then I might do another update and try, well, I could try some more difficult maps or something. But yeah, if you're interested in a build like this, it's a good one. You can just attack with the tornado shot, and you can use this blast drain totem to soften up the enemies while you're running away or evading attacks. And I guess that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Maybe. Bye bye.